Hey folks, Dan Frio here of The Opening Bell with Dan Frio. Today is February 18th, 2021. You're not going to like what's happening with the stock market. You're not going to like what happened with the bond market, and mortgage rates are going up. So not a bunch of good news. I'll make it short and sweet and we come right back. Okay, so we're going to make this short and sweet. We don't want to dwell on the pain, but today there's nothing but bad news. I hate to say it that way. The employment numbers or unemployment numbers came in record highs. They were much higher than expected. That's pushing down stocks. With the stimulus package that the government is doing, that's pushing up bond yields. In a roundabout way, it's turning on mortgages as well, so mortgage rates are going up. The good news is cryptocurrency is still on a roll that we like. Bad news there is, like I was explaining the last few days, is I've been loading up on my positions with the other components of the cryptocurrency, such as the blockchain and the miners, and they're getting clobbered today. So let's get at it without further ado. So what's happening in the markets today? Well, basically the headline numbers today is the unemployment is at came in with 861,000 Americans filing for unemployment claims. Guys, that's terrible, and it's much higher than expected. That's taking a toll on the stock market. Then also Congress is the GameStop thing that we spoke about the last few weeks, where Reddit people got together on Reddit and pushed up GameStop prices to astronomical numbers. They're actually having congressional hearings today about that. I have my own feelings on that. I won't go over that here, but the markets are down. You can see right here, the S&P is down 35, Dow is down 249. The surprising piece is the NASDAQ is down 200. That's a huge number. Let's go over to CNN or CNBC, see what they're talking about today. Again, the big headline news is going to be Robinhood. If you didn't get involved in that debacle with Robinhood and GameStop, I'll put it this way, who cares? So I'm not going to really focus on that. Let's get on to basically here's what's happening, folks. I think there's a lot of profit taking. There's still earnings numbers that are coming out that are fantastic. A lot of retail numbers came out that were really good. The unemployment numbers, they were worse than expected. All that's going to do is force the government and the Fed to do more monetary easing. And they're not going to let interest rates move in any direction one way or another. Let's say they're not going to let mortgage rates and or interest rates increase to astronomical numbers. Now, we're going to see, and you're going to see at the end of the video, mortgage rates are pushing much higher. And as we reported all week, mortgage rates continue to trickle up and up and up and up, pretty much, unfortunately, at a faster pace than I expected. Let's go into monitor the stocks that we hold positions on or monitor, and you're going to see down through here that, and again, this is why I always say dollar cost average, because you can see basically red all across the board except in a couple areas. Those areas are Ethereum, and that's one of those positions that we hold and we've been adding to. Remember I said yesterday, Ethereum for some reason is lagging the market, and I'm adding into my positions there. Ethereum is up 6% today alone, where a lot of the other Bitcoins, like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin in general, the trust, they're down, but it's okay. One's down, the Bitcoin Cash is down 8%. Yesterday, if you remember, I think we were up like 25%. So, that's going to have some pullback. Bitcoin, the trust that we follow, GBTC, is down 3%. No big deal because that's up like 60% for the month. Ethereum is up 6% for the day. But where I'm getting crushed today, and again, this is why we dollar cost average, is the blockchains. Hive blockchain is down 5.5%. Well, yesterday it was up probably 20% again. So again, I'm not too worried about these positions. But remember yesterday we were talking about those the stop losses, and I put stop losses in on almost everything I had. I hope some of these I don't kick out of because, for example, let's get into Riot, and that's one of the big gainers that I have. When we go to Riot blockchain, this was up. It was up huge yesterday, but it's down 16% today alone. I'm in this position, and I think I'm up like 400%. So a 15% reduction, isn't nothing, is nothing to sneeze at. But I hope I'm going to have to check. I just started this video right when I walked in. I'm going to check my stop losses and see if any of those are kicking in. I noticed I had 3 kick in already today. I was just covering positions so I can keep a profit in those areas. But you can see it's basically red across the board. And the employment numbers, again, the employment numbers are playing the havoc on the markets, but we still have earnings coming in that are very, very, very good. We follow the crypto. One of the things we follow in the crypto markets as well is what's the dollar doing? And with the printing of money that the government is doing, we're expecting the dollar to decline, and it's doing exactly what I expected. If we go here on the chart that we're looking at, I've been telling you guys for the last month that we should be trading at or below this black line, and we're right there. Let's zoom in on it. We're a little bit higher than the black line. That's a Fibonacci level right there, and we're just a few ticks above that. I'm not worried about that. What I like is I hate to say it this way, I like when the dollar's declining, but I like when the dollar's declining because it helps my cryptocurrency positions. And again, when you have the Federal Reserve coming in and, basically just printing money like crazy, it has to be funded somehow. So how is it funded? It's funded with the U.S. Treasuries. When you throw in a glut of U.S. Treasuries out there, there's oversupply, which is going to cause prices to drop, and it's going to cause the dollar to drop. So that's what we focus on here, and that's why we're loading up on cryptocurrencies. Let's see what the crypto market's doing today. Bitcoin is up today 1.32%, 8% for the week. Ethereum is up 5% today, 6% for the week. Guys, I know I keep telling you this, but I have to look into Binance. I don't know what the Binance coin is. It's up 50% for the week, 35% today alone. I hold positions also in Litecoin. It is up 18% for the week. It's down 1% for today. And I also added into my position yesterday in Bitcoin Cash. It's up 32% for the week and down 1% for the day. So let's get on to what's going on with the MBS market. This is why people follow me in the evenings, is to see, Dan, what's going on with mortgage rates? And I got tons of questions, and I appreciate all those questions you guys are giving me. The tough thing with this, and I'll be honest with you, it's very hard for me to predict. There's a lot of you out there that are building homes, and they're coming, they're going to be completed in the range of about July to October. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know where rates are going to be at that point. This chart right here is throwing a curveball to me as well. I didn't think we would see this much deterioration in the market within a 2-week period. We went on the MBSs. We went from 103.4 to 101.6. That's one of the biggest moves I've ever seen, other than, we go back to when this pandemic hit. Look at this. This was basically world ending. And then within about 2 weeks, we recovered. So my assumption is, in everything that I'm looking at, we shouldn't be this low. There's been an overreaction in the market. We started the day down about 25. We've picked up 9 points from that. So we're only down 16 right now. This right here that we follow, for those newbies out here, this is what's happening to the mortgage-backed security. It's a bond. This is what's happening to the price of that particular bond. As this price goes down, there's an inverse relationship with the price versus the yield. So as this price goes down, yields are going up. So we hate when these prices are going down like this, because what that means is rates continue to go up and up and up and up. We love green. So again, remember, when the price goes up, yields go down. When the price goes down, yields go up. A move over 8 is going to move the markets. A move over 16 is definitely going to move the market. The other day we had a move down of 70. That moved the market, and that pushed up rates about 0.25% that day in particular. So I did post a video. We are renaming the channel. If you go down here, you can see the poll. So if you haven't checked on my YouTube channel, please do so. I put polls out there to just answer some questions that I might have and that you guys have as watchers. We're naming the channel The Opening Bell with Dan Frio. That is what we're going to do, and we're going to start doing thumbnails and banners in regards to that. But I did post a poll out yesterday. Will Bitcoin hit $100,000? And it's pretty tight. It's a 54 to 46% of people saying yes. So if you haven't voted, please jump into this. Let me know your thoughts. Just check out my YouTube channel. You can click down below to get directly there. Just for legal purposes, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a wealth advisor. I do this just to teach you guys. Basically, think of it Finance 101. I'm kind of just teaching you. It's educational and entertainment purposes. We follow stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. So I hope you like the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. And I hope to hear from you soon. But come back at about 5 o'clock today to watch the rate update so I can give you the data on what's going on with mortgage rates and where I think they're going to go for today. So take care, guys. I'll see you later.